and welcome to Mouselow Car Centre. I'm pleased to offer this 2014 Mazda3 2.2 TD SKYACTIV-D Sport with sat-nav in metallic black. It has a full service history, has had only one owner from new and has covered 60,000 miles. It has both front and rear parking sensors, as well as a full leather interior with heated front seats, satellite navigation, Bluetooth and cruise control. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 0161 494 2113 or visit our website at www.mouselow.co.uk. Thank you for watching.